common problem in most of the countries. How could we end financial corruption? Few simple steps, but hard work and attention to detail is important. In this case, main focus is on transparency. Let's gather computer expertise to establish common codes or systems for revenue and expenses, and codes or systems related to all transactions in the country. The public should be made familiar of all such codes and systems by adopting to digitalization and being open to information technology. To enable them to know details relating to any matter in their own country or area with regard to funds collected and their distribution and use. Also projects, revenue earnings and maintenance, and the status of the ongoing projects, those engaged and responsible personnel, approval and monitoring such projects. Systems and processes introduced by such expertise should cover areas such as collection of periodical data, ensuring their accuracy through control and periodical monitoring of revenue received and how dispensed in the current financial status of the country or areas the citizens wish to know by the press of a button. The authorities need not wait until year-end to assess the status of operations. Periodical data could be constantly compared and verified, areas immediately rectified, and avoid corruption, pilfering, etc. The public could be of immense help, as they could be open to bright suggestions that would help the authorities to find vital solution to problems that could arise, thereby reduce disputes and take correct and effective decisions for the benefit of the country as a whole. This information should be open to the public, and people can add to it in the comments section for any other suggestions, as it would help the authorities to take firm decision and implement for the progress of the country or area they belong. Let such contributors be free from any division and not hint or tarnish image of individuals or groups of any, or look down on those. Instead, share for the benefit and good and progress of all concerned. This is rather a small conceptual idea in which, for those who are listening or watching this segment, can build on for the betterment and development of your own nation, for sure.